Wow. We're gonna have maybe a real red wine.
Maybe.
Maybe. We keep getting promised, but it doesn't happen.
Mm-hmm.
But they say it tastes just like you remember it, so let's find out.
All right, well.
What do we got today? We have yours, alcoholic removed wine.
Mm-hmm. A Napa red blend, and I did a search for wines and I discovered this one, and yeah, I'm excited to try it.
They claim it has an oaky quality to it, which has been missing from our previous ones, but anyways, let's give this a shot. So
cheers.
Cheers. Has a nice nose to it. It's just gonna be the snob here. The legs, not really a lot of legs, but that's the glycerin content when it goes down the side of the glass. But let's give it a shot.
Has more zing than the other one that we tried.
Yeah. You're reaching for all the bitters.
Sorry. Aromatic. I'm going to try this one.
Bump up the complexity level a little bit.
A little bit of bitters in here. I'll do 3 because that's a pretty big serving in there. See if that helps jazz it up. What do you think about it so far?
We keep running into what separates it from just glorified grape juice.
Oh, there's something more zingy about it though.
Yeah, definitely.
Than grape juice.
Yeah.
More bitter. Well, that might be because it has added some aromatic bitters into it. I enjoy it. It tastes good with the apple so far.
How it pairs with food is a question. So can I try some with the brie?
Yeah, go for it.
All right. One of the things a good red wine should do is pair with cheese and augment the flavor. Let's see what happens. Chocolate cookie plus red wine.
They say they use blackberry juice. It is fruity.
So, one of the things that you get in a really nice red wine is the berry flavor. So that maybe that's interesting. Blackberry juice. We haven't seen that. It also says, oh, that's interesting. They have cocoa powder, 10 to 12%.
Well, it is bitter on its own. That earthy.
And then the monk fruit extract. So,
I mean, I would use this in my sangria.
Yeah.
I would use this as like a mixer for another cocktail. I don't know that I would just sip it straight.
Yeah. It doesn't. So the one that we tried previously had a really nice bouquet, but didn't deliver. Let's try with a little bitters. You did a full shot,
yeah.
right?
I did 3 of them.
Yeah, I wonder what it is about the whole dealcoholization process that changes the flavors so dramatically. Okay, I'm gonna have to try 2 more. Well, what do you think compared to our other tasty little choices?
I do like this one the most out of all the red wines we've tried so far. Like I liked the null wines. I think we got the prickly pear, and that was alright. That was good. It's on par with that one. And it definitely needs the bitters to help boost the flavor, and it's still holding up with the food just fine. And like I said, I would definitely use this in a sangria or another type of wine cocktail. Yeah,
definitely not much in the red wine market, though. Mostly seems to be the white wine or the rosé.
Yeah, the sparkling wines definitely have a stronger hold on the market than dealcoholized red wine. Well, do you have any last thoughts? Any last closing thoughts?
It's drinkable. I'm still not getting the magic, the special magic that comes from the chemistry of a good red wine. But how much was this? This is like $20 or
Mm-hmm.
20.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. I'm gonna have to say, what, 6 on
Yeah.
drinkability scale?
I would give it a solid 6.
Okay. Cool. Well, anyways, it's a pleasure trying it.
Mhm.
Yours.